and welcome to the East Innovators Lego Club. Today we will be unboxing, speed building and giving a review on this massive monster Lego 42100 Liebherr R9800 excavator. So without any more delay, let's get to the review.
What's up guys, and now we are back from building, and now you can see this massive monster is right in front of us. Oh my god guys, just look at this thing. I didn't expect it to be this big, can you imagine? Okay, so without any further delay, let's get to the pros and cons of this massive monster E.A.S.T R9800 excavator. So the first pro of this E.A.S.T R98 excavator is that it's got so many motors. It's got 2 Bluetooth controlled smart hubs. It's got I think 3 extra large motors and 4 large motors, which makes the movement of this excavator extremely fast. Take a look at this guys. Look at how fast this is. Like, I mean guys, if you compare this to the bucket wheel excavator, it's extremely good. Like, I mean, it's got like 300 pieces extra, plus you've got like I mean so many more motors than that. And yeah guys, so it's like so quick, so smooth. The functions, the arm functions are also so good. If you guys can see, the shadow is I think the arm, and it's just celebrating properly. It just left a few pieces out right now. Anyways, okay, so I put it down, and it's like it's cloning the thing, so it's pretty nice and smooth. The second pro of the E.A.S.T R9800 excavator is this really smooth movement, guys. Guys, if you check out this movement, I think I've also got a this plastic container set up over here. So if you just check over here, or you can just swipe to the left side and left side and just go to this control one touch control area, or you can just go over here and just press this. Sorry, I think it's this. I think it's this. Now it's gonna slowly start to open and drop everything. As you can see, this guys, just hear the satisfaction of this movement, guys. It's like so nicely created. The third thing, and the third pro, or whatever you call it, for the monster is that this structure has a 360-degree rotation without any hesitation, guys. Check this out. So I'll just hold this over here and then just rotate. Wow, yeah, you're facing me now. Hi there. Boom. You can do another rotation also. I think if you go over here and do a structural rotation, it can rotate according to your own needs. Then you can do a 180-degree rotation. Yeah, 180. You're facing me now, and then again going all the way back to 0. That's over here. This is a cool feature I personally like. The fourth pro of the E.A.S.T R9800 excavator is that, let's say you don't need to go to settings of your app and then connect these hubs. If you can see right over here, if you can see that green button over there, that green button, you can just press it, go to the app and just connect it. So there is no external Bluetooth pairing required. And also I think there is one in the bottom or right over there. The fifth pro of the E.A.S.T R9800 excavator is that this white color makes it look so good and so different from other excavators. The 6th Pro of the Liebherr R9800 excavator is that the app shows how much battery you have got left in the, I think, the upper hub, which is located here, and the lower hub, which is located here. So if you guys can see, currently you've got full battery, but the moment it comes, it can give a warning. So I think below the in between the controls, and between this control and this control, you can see a fuel image, and you see two lines. So that shows the upper hub battery remaining fuel and the lower hub. And now the 7th Pro, guys. This is just full of pros. I mean, now I'm just waiting when I'm gonna come in cons. Anyways, the 7th Pro is the motors or something have an inbuilt gyro sensor, and when we tilt the Liebherr R9800 excavator, it gives a warning. I think that is after 30 degrees. So guys, you can just see this over here, and boom, like I'm holding it right now, but then let's say you're taking it in a tilted area, tilted land like this, and it is okay up to, I think, 50. Yeah, the moment it reaches 31, it gives you a warning that it's gonna fall over. Same for this here, same for this. You guys can see it right below the controls. The 8th Pro of the Liebherr R9800 excavator. Can anybody guess what it is? Like in the screen, can you guess anything different? That's right. You can see a challenge setup below the fuel bar, which I just now explained. Now this thing literally has challenges, and the moment you complete these challenges, you earn badges. So first one, what does it say? Rotate body 90 degrees. Oh, wow, they completely orange now. Done. Now lower boom. Lower boom. Okay, lower boom. No. Yeah, done. Scoop. Okay. So what is that? No, it's not the scoop. Okay, it helps you. So how much should it scoop? One. Raise, boom. Okay. Interesting, guys, interesting. Rotate body 180. Completed. Dump. Let's go. Complete. Now I complete truck dump. Let's go. As you can see, I just now got a badge. I'm gonna continue driving. So anyways, this is the 8th Pro of the Liebherr R9800 excavator. 9th Pro of the Liebherr R9800 excavator, sorry guys, is that the arm calibrates. So what I mean by saying this is, if I go here, click on this and just calibrate the arm. As you had seen, I had completed it in a challenge. I've done this in a challenge in the previous video. So yeah, so it will calibrate the moment I do this. So it's not in any of these statuses right now. Yeah, it's in a clean platform. Hub's position in the scene, body flex aligned. Yeah, there's so now guys, this automatically calibrates. Just watch it. Taking this down here. Wow guys, this is just amazing. Just that. And now it just comes down altogether. Wow guys. The moment this green thing comes, it means it's done, the calibration. Done. And now, the 10th, last but not the least, finally, pro of the Liebherr is this new one-touch control that I've provided, guys. Look at this. I can like move this however I want. Like, I mean, it's gonna realign itself. I mean, how cool is that? It's exactly realigned now. Let's say I put it like this. And it can multitask as well. Let's now realign itself. You can like see the shadow. The shadow is like the arm, and that is where I want to go. Wow. The first con of the Liebherr is that this massive beast consumes like 12 batteries, which in each at least around 1300 mAh each, or 1200, which at least makes it consume 12,000 mAh of battery, and these drain like literally crazy. And guys, if you were wondering how much your phone battery is, it's generally ranging from 3,000 to 7,000. So this literally consumes 12,000. Well, obviously mechanical things will consume more, but still, I mean, that's a bit too much. I mean, up to 6,000 we can accept it. 12,000 doesn't make any sense. Anyways, the next con is that if you move it over here, move this little bit down, move this here, and swipe next and go. It has trouble in scooping the objects, guys, as you can see. It has a lot of trouble unless it comes to one endpoint. Still, it has some trouble in scooping objects. So let's move it somewhere like this in here. Still, it might have problems. Yes, yeah, it does have problems. It has a lot of problems in scooping objects here. It doesn't make it so fun to play with. And well, if you explore other features, it's extremely fun to play. And the last con of the Liebherr, I mean, this thing is just full of pros and less of cons. The last con is that the motors make a bit too much of noise. Just listen to this, guys. I mean, isn't that a bit too much? And you guys can comment down below if it's a bit too much or not. Anyways, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this long tour of the unboxing, speed building, and the review of this massive beast. Hope you enjoyed, and bye guys. We'll see you in the next video.